broken slide clip and probably a seized caliper. Try to save that, squeeze that back, but definitely new rotors for the rear, new pads. She'll be back. Hope you're good. Taking off that ring was interesting. I don't know when the last time it was off. All right. Okay, let me bring you up to speed on where we are with all this. So, last week, summer vacation, driving around with Oscar, exploring. On our way home, there was a really bad screeching sound and sounded like it was a brake dragging. It worsened as the miles went by, but we did drive home. And I've already inspected the front brakes, wasn't that, and while I had the car up, changed the front differential transfer case oil anyway. So front brake's good, differential case good. Took the rear wheel off and instantly, hub's good, it's moved around, but you can just hear it grinding like that because the inside pad lost a clip. It actually just decayed to almost nothing. So this little clip was hanging down, this pad had gotten hung up, caliper might be hung open, we'll see. I just got a caliper press tool, so we'll see if that works. I went and I got new pads for the rear. New rotors for the rear. I did get another rear caliper just in case. See how that goes. Better safe than sorry. And a brand new rear caliper chuck on there for both sides. So got some brake parts cleaner, some more .3 brake fluid, brake caliper grease, some anti-seize, and some other. Random tools. Breaker bar, because I've already taken the caliper off. As you can see, took the old rotor off, took the old aftermarket hub ring off. Everything should go back together pretty easily, so I will wire brush that down. I will put some anti-seize on there, put the new rotor on, try to press those calipers back. If they don't, I'll swap the caliper out, deal with the brake bleeding afterwards, and I'll switch to the other side. I'll put it in time lapse and see how this goes. Okay, took a little more than an hour, or a little less than an hour. I've forgotten. Either way, did make some mistakes along the way, but got it done. It's not that difficult. There are many YouTube tutorials out there. There are quite a few. I'll link to the 2 that were my favorite. 4 bolts, 3 clips, pads, grease, anti-seize, reverse it from how you take it off, put it back together. The caliper did press back, so I don't need the caliper. I did trial run it on there to see if there were any better clearances that I could have just changed the caliper out, but it didn't matter. Used the old caliper, new pads, old caliper bracket hanger, new rotor, and existing hub-centric ring. Good to go. Drove it around the block. No more noise. I'll hit the other side and call it a night.